Okay, this is a tutorial. Raw framing. To the inside. Yep. When installing vinyl windows, it's very important on these tabs over here to remove the excess vinyl plastic due to the point where you put in your trims, your finished product, on your finished work. It makes it that much easier to be nice and tight.
Top and bottom.
Top and bottoms. We're removing the tops now so that we don't need to walk around with the ladder later and cut it off. Ladies and gentlemen, Bill the Thrill. Now, because the siding is already in, we made sure that we had a reveal on the side for this flange. And we're going to have it set all the way around. One, two, three. So now that the window is resting on its frame, I'm gonna hand the phone to you, Bill.
Yeah.
Okay, you can pop them up.
You can come inside.
Now we're gonna center the window. Want to make sure that the reveals on both sides are the same. Okay, so now we have the same size reveal on both sides. Oh, yeah. And now what we're looking for is this same reveal right here, all the way down. And you see it's a little off, so what we're going to do is
Shove the top over.
and you're only looking at the closed portion of the window right here. So if Bill is going to call it from the outside, I'm going to go on the outside and screw it.
Bottom and top, good.
Now you don't want to use these holes that they already have because it's going to move the window. So I like to make my own hole. So he called bottom and top good.
Top good. One more guy after this will be good after video.
Yeah.
The center, close the window.
So when he closes the window, he checks the center reveal because it could be bowing. And he's going to hold it to where it's good. Once he calls it good,
Good, middle good.
we're going to set our screw in the center. And that leaves this side locked up.
Once you adjust this side,
Once this side is
other
adjusted,
side is all cherry. You can just screw them up.
touchdown. And we put 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 1 on the bottom, center over your hole. Then you just trim it out.